Hey guys, so today we're going to review some money, how much the coins are worth and what the coins are, and then I'm going to teach you a new way to count money that might be more helpful to you. It's just another way that you can count coins that might help. So let's get started and we're going to review some coins. So first, I'm going to hold up the coin and see if you can shout out what the coin is before I tell you. And then see if you can tell me how much it's worth before I tell you too. Okay? Just kind of a fun game we can play at home today. Okay, so the first coin I'm going to show you, this is a nickel. And it's worth 5 cents. Okay, and on, this is the head side of the nickel. That has Thomas Jefferson as the president on the nickel. This is a penny. Most of you know this coin because it's the only brown coin. And a penny is worth 1 cent. Good job. Okay, this coin is a dime. Yes, and it says 1 dime. And this is the tail side of the dime, which is the back side. It's worth 10 cents. Next coin, quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. This coin, dime. This is the head side of the dime. Good. And it's worth 10 cents. Good. Penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. Good job. Okay, this is the tail side. This is a quarter. Good. A quarter's worth 25 cents. Now this is the one tail side of a quarter. Also, we see quarters with the states. So a lot of different tails are on the quarters on the back side. And the last one is a nickel. Good. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Good job. Okay, so there's our review on coins. Now I'm going to teach you a new way to count coins. Okay? The new way to count coins, it's called hairy money. I know it sounds kind of funny, but it's going to be an easier way that we can count. We'll count by fives. Okay? So I'm going to draw you some coins on here, okay? And I'll show you how this works. So here's a coin, and we're gonna say this is a quarter, so I'm putting a Q. I'm gonna say this is a dime, so I'll put a D, and another dime and a D. So we know a quarter is worth 25 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. And this dime, 10 cents. Okay, so how we do hairy money, I'm gonna grab a different color, is that we're gonna put hairs on our coins. And every hair is worth 5, like 5 cents, okay? So for a dime, or a quarter, sorry, because it's 25 cents, if I count by fives and put hairs for every 5 that I count, it'd be 5, can you see that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I have 5 hairs go on quarters because if we count by fives, okay? For a dime, there'd be 2 hairs because it's 5, 10. And then dime, 2 hairs, 5, 10. So then I can go back and just count by fives to count all my coins. So I can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So a quarter and 2 dimes is 45 cents. Okay? So I know it's funny called hairy money, but it's just a different way that we can count and sometimes makes it easier and helps us understand how to count it a little bit quicker if we all know how to count by fives. Okay, let's do another one. I'm going to erase this. Okay? And then I'm going to draw one with pennies to show you how we do that. Okay, so say I have a quarter. I'm going to mix them all up and show you how it can be easier if we mix them all up. A nickel, so I'm putting an N, a dime, D, another nickel, N, another quarter, and then I'm going to draw 2 pennies down here, P and P. Okay, so this time I'm not going to write the amounts underneath, I'm just going to draw the hairs on there. Okay, so a quarter is going to have 5 hairs because it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 because we're 25 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hairs on the quarter. Oh, there's another quarter over here, so I'm going to draw 5 hairs over here. And then a nickel just has 1 hair because it's 5, just 1 hair. The dime has 2 hairs because it's 5, 10, it's worth 10 cents. A nickel has 1 hair. And then pennies, I'm not going to draw anything on pennies because they're just worth 1. So I'm just going to count up by 1s when I'm done counting. Okay, so I'm going to count by 5s. I'm going to point to each hair and count by 5s on my coins, and then just go up by 1s when I count my pennies, okay? So you can count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. So this is 72 cents. Okay, so it's just another way. You do not have to use hairy money. If you know how to count money and can count the coins, that's great. But this is just another way that you can count money. If we know how to count by 5s, just draw the hairs on there, and that might help. If you have any more questions about this hairy money, send me a message. I could even do a Zoom message or a Google Hangout with you to help you do this, or I can try to make another video for you too. Okay? All right. Good luck doing your counting coins today. Bye.